Hey everyone, welcome back into our Tuesday night edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with once again talking about the weather, and the cold temperatures are here for at least looks like through the week into the weekend. Maybe a little warmer by the weekend, but right now we're looking at temperatures dropping down to the coldest in the low-lying areas like Goldstream Valley and the Badger Road area down to close to 30 below, but for the most part it should be right around 15, 25 below. It's still pretty chilly. Our photograph tonight, this one's sent in by 14-year-old Molly Forrest, a cool sunset. As you can see here, the sun setting and these little things on across the valley there. I can't quite tell what they are. I think maybe piles of hay or something snowed over. But anyway, a nice texture on the shot there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com, including your Christmas photos. We'd sure like to share those with the audience. And once again, a reminder that our Mike's Fab photo calendars are still available, and there are many locations across the area. Good stocking stuffers. Temperature today, 12 below for the high. The low last night, 15 below. The record high, 55. That was in 1934. The record low, 53 below in 1935. 1935 was a year. 4 hours and 10 minutes of daylight, a loss of 4 minutes from yesterday. Air quality, a little better today. Everybody is at stage 1, moderate for Fairbanks and North Pole. So it's a lot better than it was yesterday. And again, keep in mind, if you have any respiratory problems, so you might want to just watch your activity, keep it low. Here's our satellite and radar. You can see once again, we're looking at a lot of moisture moving across with an area of low pressure sitting down across the Gulf of Alaska, bringing moisture across southeast Alaska and areas of the south central area. But for the most part, it looks like it's going to stay down to the south. That's why the northern and northwest part of the country is getting hammered. We'll show you that in just a little bit. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, temperatures, once again, chilly at Juneau, 38 degrees, and some scattered showers there. Ketchikan, 43, also scattered showers. A few snowflakes falling around the Anchorage Bowl, 13 degrees, 40 degrees for the high at Kodiak, with a few light showers there. And a little more rain around the Cold Bay region, 31. Single digits for Nome and Bethel, 13 below at Barrow, and Fort Yukon, 1 above with cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather. Look at the mess moving across from the west to the east, all in that jet stream, bringing with it pockets of moisture across the Pacific Northwest, and some of that is resulting in very heavy rain and snowfall at the higher elevations. And something I heard this morning that was just unbelievable. Buffalo, New York has not had any snow this year so far, and they're not going to get it for a while because this is all warm air moving across from the west to the east. And Stephanie can identify that as where she's from. And you can see once again that this is really an interesting weather pattern. As far as the West Coast is concerned, very heavy rainfall all this week from Vancouver right on down past Portland down to the northern California regions. 6 to 12 inches in the very dark green areas and still 3 to 6 inches around the Seattle region. So the rain will continue, probably bringing lots of flooding. And it's all because the jet stream, once again, coming down from the north, then diving down across the south and roaring back to the east, bringing with it warmer temperatures to the north and still a pocket of cold air across the Rockies. Well, back to Alaska, or back to actually our kids' weather watch for tonight. And once again, we're talking with the kids from Pearl Creek Elementary School. Here's a young lady with a nice picture she drew about Nebraska.
Hi, my name is Ella. My teacher is Mr. Sassman. I'm in 4th grade, Pearl Creek Elementary School. I drew this picture because my grandpa is in Nebraska, and whenever I see the thunder and lightning, I really like it, so I thought I could draw it here.
And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And tomorrow night, we'll wrap things up with a young man here to ask a very unique question about the weather. Your forecast for the rest of the state of Alaska for tomorrow for the northern sections, chance of snow for Barrow. Mostly sunny skies at Nome and a chance of snow in Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, once again, cold temperatures are the key factor with just a few clouds here and there, maybe a little snow east of the Delta Junction area. Over southeast Alaska, it looks like mixed showers for Juneau, even some fog in the area, and strong winds and showers expected for Ketchikan. While over to the southwest part of the state, with mixed rain and snow for Cold Bay, sunny skies at Bethel, and showers at Kodiak area. And down around the south central sections, isolated snow showers for Anchorage, snow for Valdez, and a few snow showers in Homer. So things are getting a little more moist down there with the cold temperatures. The snow Our forecast for the remainder of the night, scattered clouds, very cold. Maybe you might see some auroras. If you bundle up, you might see a good chance of seeing those. 21 degrees below zero, though, for the overnight lows. Like I said, colder in the low-lying areas. Tomorrow, only 15 below for the high, with increasing clouds and the extended forecast calling for temperatures to slowly warm up, maybe to the plus figures by Friday, 5 degrees above. Woo-hoo, I think I never get excited about that. Overnight lows also warming up a little bit, from the minus 20s to around 10 degrees below zero by Sunday night.